everybody, the rig's here. What is up, everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today we just got a brand new truck, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you because it's a lot rougher than I thought.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
Everybody, the merch is live, so go ahead and head over right now to the link in the description and get yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie or something. This drop is going to be limited, so head on over there right now and hopefully it's not sold out. So let's go ahead and jump back into the video. Alrighty guys, she is finally here and we're getting to actually see it in person for the very first time in the sunlight. And I'm going to be honest, there is not a panel on this truck that's not dinged. Chrome is chipping and it's a total basket case. But I do see some really good bones. I mean, you gotta think, this is a L5P, this is the 6-speed transmission, and the truck's black. And yes, every panel may be dinged, but it's not what's on the surface that matters. It's what's in the heart. And the heart of this truck is not rusty. So that is a huge dub for us. Give us a round of applause. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump to the first problem of this truck. And I thought the truck couldn't get any worse. How's it going, everybody? We got the Duramax in the shop now. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. We got a check engine light we're gonna switch out. We done got the part. It is a piece on the downpipe. So we're gonna throw that in there and go from there. That is putting the work in, getting the root of the problem out. Fingers crossed this works, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get a socket on this piece and get that pulled out. We'll come back to you guys when we get it out. We got a little problem. We do not have a wrench big enough to fit the piece we're replacing. This is actually what we're replacing. And Dad just got the grinder and grinded out a socket so it would fit it better. Fit it better?
It don't fit yet. I'm gonna do it a little bit at a time.
That way you can always take more off.
You can always take more off. You can't put more back.
Sounds good. Yeah, here's his collection of stuff to edit to make it work. All right, guys, this is our Frankenstein we got going on here. We chopped up our Harbor Freight tool because you know what? They're so cheap it don't even matter. And they're pretty good quality, so fingers crossed that this does not break. All right, we got the old one out, as you can see. Now it's time to get the new one in. So we're gonna throw that in and drive it. And hopefully this goes as smooth as I'm planning on it being. All right, guys, we just replaced the sensor and now we're going on a little test drive to kind of check everything out. And fingers crossed, everything goes as planned. And a little sidebar, this truck is way crazier than the Elemental. Because mine stock couldn't touch this thing. And I always heard that, but I didn't believe it. But it is definitely true. This thing is quick. But I'll update you guys after we get the road test done and hopefully no check engine lights. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be cleaning the interior. So I'm gonna just show you how bad it is. This is the back seat. It's not really that dirty. The main concern of the back is the carpet. As you can see here, it's kind of filthy. And the main goal is just to take a drill brush to it, spray some cleaner on it, vacuum it up, you know, just kind of get it cleaned up. I think they had a dog in here, so definitely want to get that hair up before we start drill brushing. So I'll vacuum it and go from there. Now up front wasn't too bad, just dusty like I said. There's something in the driver's seat and in the passenger seat, like they had spilled something, but it was dusty, the whole 9 yards. I'll show you the seat here. I don't know what exactly that is. It should come out pretty good, but the floor mats is just yikes. This carpet is Definitely took some abuse over the years. Front floorboard on the driver's side, it was pretty dirty. Mainly the floor mat. It kind of shielded a big part of the floor, but still, it needs some love. You can see right there on the carpet, it's filthy. And the seat, gonna probably steam those and get those cleaned up too. So let's go ahead and not waste any time and hop right into this. First one, guys. Gosh, this is nasty. A lot of sand. Good progress right now. I'm gonna try busting out the steamer and see how that goes. So ultimately, we did decide to sell the truck, and yes, it does suck because it was L5P, but it's alright. I'm sure there'll be more to come. So if you guys would, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.